Chemical properties of acids and bases. Indicators are the chemical substances which tell whether a given substance is an acid or a base by change in color or by change in odor. How do acids and bases react with metals? We take sulfuric acid in a test tube and add a few pieces of zinc granules to it. We observe that the reaction is taking place with the evolution of a gas. We pass this gas through soap solution. The soap bubbles filled with the gas rise up. To check the gas contained in the bubbles, bring a burning candle near the soap bubbles. The bubble bursts and the gas present in it catches fire with a pop sound. This shows that the gas is hydrogen. In this reaction, hydrogen of acid has been replaced by metal. Therefore, it is a displacement reaction. The reaction of a metal with an acid can be summarized as acid plus metal gives salt plus hydrogen gas. Those metals which lie above in the activity series of metals react vigorously, while those metals which lie below hydrogen like copper does not react at all. Reaction of bases with metals. Some bases like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide react with active metals like zinc and aluminum to liberate hydrogen gas along with the formation of a salt. We take pieces of granulated zinc in a test tube and add sodium hydroxide solution. Warm the contents of the test tube. It is observed that zinc metal dissolves and the hydrogen gas is evolved, which can be tested by bringing a burning candle or the flame of a burner. Hydrogen gas burns with a pop sound. How do metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid? Take sodium carbonate in a test tube, add dilute hydrochloric acid. Allow the gas evolved to pass through lime water taken in another test tube. We observe that the lime water turns milky, showing that the gas evolved is carbon dioxide. The following reaction takes place. Na2CO3, that is sodium carbonate, combines with HCl, that is hydrochloric acid, to give NaCl, sodium chloride, plus water plus carbon dioxide. The above experiment can be repeated by taking sodium hydrogen carbonate in place of sodium carbonate. The reaction can be summarized as metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate plus acid gives salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. How do acids and bases react with each other? We take sodium hydroxide solution in a conical flask and add 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution into it. We know that phenolphthalein turns pink in basic medium. The solution turns pink. Now we add hydrochloric acid from the burette into the flask slowly till the pink color in the solution disappears. At this point, sodium hydroxide solution in the flask has completely reacted with the hydrochloric acid added from the burette. The following reaction takes place. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus water. The reaction between an acid and a base to give salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. In general, a neutralization reaction can be written as base plus acid gives salt plus water. Reaction of metallic oxides with acids. Metal oxides react with acids to form salt and water. Since it is also a neutralization reaction, it shows that metal oxides are basic oxides. Experiment to illustrate reaction of metal oxides with acid. We take copper 2 oxide in a beaker and add dilute hydrochloric acid into it slowly with constant stirring. A bluish green solution is obtained due to the formation of copper 2 chloride. The following reaction takes place. Copper 2 oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives CuCl2 plus H2O. Reaction of non-metallic oxides with base. Bases react with non-metal oxides like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, phosphorus pentoxide, etc. to form salt and water. In general, base plus non-metal oxides gives salt plus water. For example, calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice, which is a base, combines with carbon dioxide, which is a non-metallic oxide, to produce calcium carbonate, which is a salt, and water. Since it is also a neutralization reaction, it shows that non-metallic oxides are acidic in character. Name the gas evolved when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, and how do we recognize the evolved gas? Write your answer in the comment box.